Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're taking a look at copy receipts on the ER-180 register. So standard on the machine. If you've got the till in the reg mode and you've got receipts enabled, so you're not in the journal mode and you haven't got receipts switched off, with every sale you get a standard receipt. If you press the cash button immediately after, you can get a reprint. So it comes up and says reprint there. If you try and get another reprint, you'll get an error message. So what you can do in the system options, there's an option for increasing, basically enabling you to have lots of copy receipts, as many as you want in theory. So the way to do it is to head to system option programming. So in the manual you're looking for this sort of chart. So it's system option, so program mode, 30 subtotal. Then you type in the question number, what they call the question number. I'd enter I'd say it was the line number. And the way you get that information is on the next page. There's all the questions they're asking. So that's number 11. Allow multiple copy receipts, or allow one copy receipt. So 0 is always the default. So standard, it's only one copy. You put in 1 there because we're changing the answer, and then subtotal and cash. So we'll try that now. We'll go into the program mode by pressing 6 mode. P appears on the display, so we know we're in program position, and then we type in 30 subtotal. That's to go into the system option programming. So that's the top of that flowchart there. We then enter the line number, which is line 11. We then press the X time button here, and then we type in our answer to their question. We are typing in 1, and then we're pressing subtotal followed by cash to confirm. Now when we go back to the reg mode, pop in a sale, we'll get the standard receipt printout if we've got receipt on, and then we can get unlimited, well, I don't know if it's unlimited, but you can get lots of copy receipts should you require them. That also works if you've got the receipt switched off. So if we press clear, we've got our receipt switched off, but we want the customer requests a receipt. We can press it and then press it again. Now there is another, what it says in the manual here, is that you can deactivate that by going into print options. So that if that doesn't work for you, you might also need to look at the print options, because there's a conflicting print option. But if you've not done any advanced or mad programming on the machine, that should do the job for you. So print options are either just before system options or just after it in the manual. It's a similar looking thing, but it's a different set of rules to do with printing rather than overall rules on the till. Okay, hope that video has been helpful. It has explained how to do it and it should work for you. If you've got any questions or comments, you can always message me via YouTube. You can also check out the videos appearing on screen now. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.